Select the correct coordinating conjunction to complete the sentence. I wanted to go for a walk, blank, it was raining. A. So. B. But. C. And. D. For. Correct answer is B, but is used to show contrast, indicating that the second clause contradicts the first. Identify the coordinating conjunction in the sentence. She likes to swim and to run in the mornings. A. To. B. And. C. Likes. D. In. Correct answer is B, and connects two actions that she enjoys doing. Choose the correct option to fill in the blank. He studied hard, blank. He did not pass the exam. A. And. B. Or. C. Yet. D. For. Correct answer is C. Yet is used to show a surprising result that follows from the first part of the sentence. What is the function of the coordinating conjunction in this sentence? You can have cake or ice cream for dessert. A. To add. B. To contrast. C. To indicate choice. D. To explain. Correct answer is C, or presents an alternative between cake and ice cream. Select the appropriate conjunction for this sentence. The sun was shining, blank. We decided to stay indoors. A. For. B. No. C. But. D. So. Correct answer is C, but introduces a contrast between the weather and the decision made. Fill in the blank with the correct coordinating conjunction. She loves to read, blank. She does not have much time. A. And. B. For. C. But. D. Yet. Correct answer is C, but indicates the contradiction between her love for reading and her lack of time. Which conjunction best fits this sentence? He wants to play outside, blank. It is too cold. A. So. B. And. C. But. D. For. Correct answer is C, but highlights the contrast between his desire and the weather conditions. Choose the correct coordinating conjunction. I will finish my homework, blank. I can watch my favorite show. A. But. B. Or. C. So. D. Yet. Correct answer is C, so indicates the result of finishing homework to achieve watching the show. Identify the coordinating conjunction. They didn't go to the party, blank. They were feeling tired. A. Or. B. For. C. And. D. But. Correct answer is B, for explains the reason why they didn't go to the party. Select the correct option. I can either go to the gym, blank, stay at home. A. And. B. But. C. Or. D. Yet. Correct answer is C, or is used to present a choice between two alternatives.